You have a bad injector cup? You ever been told you have a bad injector cup, but you're confused of what that is or why it happens? I have a couple injectors here and I want to show you what it looks like and why it happens. These injectors are out of a HUI system. This is a hydraulic electronic unit injector. They're most commonly found in Fords, Caterpillars, and Internationals. As you can see, these injectors are out of the same engine, and you can see which one was bad. It's got a hydraulic rail here, fuel rail here, electronic solenoid here that actually does the firing and injects the fuel. The hydraulic fluid is high pressure, does all the work, and slams this, which injects the fuel. As you can see, the cup was leaking where the sealed tip is, and it allows compression to go past this O-ring into the fuel rail. When that happens, you have low power, runs rough, stumbles, terrible performance.